Oh, better. Oh, better. Stand up, stand up. What are you doing out here, small boy?
Me just rest, boy.
You just a rest? Well, small boy.
Move from here, small boy. We are live here with the nature guru, straight from Guyana. So, what do you think about global warming and them things?
Well, you good because place like the North Pole and thing, I got ton on heat and stuff.
So what you just do on in your free time and thing?
Well, we just like sit down and meditate. Sometime for one whole week. Just for nature, the tree and the grass. Namaste. Horia, Moria, Namastia, Horia, Omnia, Sipkia, Namastia, Dulia, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Go!
Welcome to the Dutty News with
Dylan.
and Krishna, bringing you the latest news today.
Well, you already see me, David the nature guru.
Horia. Since I've been outside, Dylan, what happened to the weather?
Well, look around, you see no cloud in the sky, very sunny. As you can see, a tree change color, just like a banana gets spile. Today's phrase of the day, brought to you by the Dutty boys, them, is... Tell them, Krishna, tell them what the phrase of the day is.
Put them back!
Put them back. You hear that? Put
So-
it back. Put it back. Put them back.
Hey, small boy, you see me back there? You gonna try taking from me?
Put them back.
Alright.
And now, the 1 second show. The nature guru promised me that he would do the song of the day today. So here we have it, the song of the day.
The Nature Guru, live on Dutty News.